mamas, and welcome to another episode of CajunStork Shorts. Today we're going to talk about how much red raspberry leaf tea to drink while you're pregnant per trimester. So in your first trimester as a midwife, I recommend against any medications, supplements besides prenatal vitamins, and including medicinal teas in your first trimester, just to kind of avoid those. And so unless your midwife or physician recommends, let's go ahead and skip red raspberry leaf tea for your first trimester. However, during your second trimester, I want you to start drinking 2 cups a day of red raspberry leaf tea. You can drink it hot, you can drink it cold, it really doesn't matter. The goal is just to try and find a recipe that you like and something that you would enjoy to drink, because in your third trimester, well, a little bit later, closer to 34 weeks, I encourage my mamas to drink not 2, but 4 cups a day of red raspberry leaf tea. Now, some of my mamas can't quite stomach this much tea, so they put 2 tea bags in 2 cups throughout the day to get their 4 cups. But what if like you're a teacher or you work on the go and you just don't have the ability to make tea? Nature's Sunshine makes this awesome pre-sweetened red raspberry leaf tea on the go. I'm going to go ahead and list it in the description below so you can access that. And this tea you can just pour into a cup of water and shake it, and now you have red raspberry leaf tea on the go no matter where you're at when you're pregnant. Now you're going to continue to drink 4 cups a day every day starting at 34 weeks until you give birth, but you can also drink red raspberry leaf tea in labor. In fact, I have a birth house infusion Labor Day recipe that I'm going to link right here in this video, where you can make it alongside of me for a good, nutritious, electrolyte rich recipe for labor. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.